Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 5 sine t, because if I put this one going here, we have 5 sine t square number 5. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the square root of number 5 cosine t dt. So we have s, we change by this one and this one. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 5 sine t square. Number 5 and number 5 we can do about factorization. So we have 1 minus sine t square. So 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square. The square root of this one we have 5. The square root of number 5 cosine t. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. So 1 over the square root of number 5 I will put outside. This one we have cosecant of t dt. The integration of this one we have negative Fn of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 5. And now we have t equal to arc sine of s over the square root of number 5. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.